How to share someone's story on your Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can share someone's story on your Instagram. So there are basically two ways on how you can share someone else's story on your Instagram. So the first method is if they have tagged you, all you have to do is simply open your Instagram and then go to your message. There it will say that they mentioned you on their story, and then you will also see the option add to your story. Now this option will only appear if the other person mentions you on their story. Now if the other person doesn't mention you on their story, what you can do to add someone else's story is simply, for example, I'll simply add this story to my story. So what you'll have to do is simply take a screenshot. Sorry, I just locked my phone. Take a screenshot, and then if you want, you can crop this screenshot. For now, I'll simply crop this much. Now I'll save to photos. After that, go to your story and then simply add this to your story. Now remember to tag the original creator so that they get credit. So once you've added someone else's story, all you have to do is simply tag them. And then tap on the option your story. And there you have it. So those are the ways on how you can share someone else's story to your Instagram. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.